Good day, everyone, and welcome to today's market fundamental and technical breakdown. My name is Anthony Phillips Njoku, and I'm a certified professional digital trader with 13 years of experience. I'm the founder of 10x Digital Lane, where everyone who has a knowledge gap in digital trading, real estate, and wealth building can be able to get a package on our website and learn how to be able to use that information after subscribing to make money in these various industries. So if you're missing out, go down to our website www.nzdusd.com, grab a package, and you stand a chance to learn how to make money in these industries and have an extra source of income. So diving down to today's market fundamental breakdown, we'll be going for August 28th to September 1st. This is the market fundamental breakdown for August 28th to September 1st. It's more like a forecast. It's more like a forecast. And when we say forecast, we mean that we are going to be saying that the market is going to go to a specific direction, and we'll be breaking down this specific direction based on our analysis and rules of engagement to trading. So if this is your first time, don't forget to smash the like button, comment, subscribe, and click the notification icon. Also, drop below your comments. Drop below your comments, which could be questions, which could be whatever you find difficult at all. Drop below your comments, and we can answer those comments when we see them. Drop below your comments, and we could answer those comments when we see them. So I'll be sharing my screen in a short time, so we can be able to okay. Okay, fantastic, fantastic, fantastic. By now, you should be able to see my screen. And this is our chart, which we're using to do the breakdown. So we start first with DXY, DXY, DXY. DXY is the strength of the dollar. DXY is the strength of the dollar, which is a dollar index. DXY is a dollar index. So currently on DXY, we can see that the market was impulsive throughout August, the month of August. It was highly impulsive throughout the month of August. And currently we have a H4 order block and a validation point as well, which market has not fulfilled its efficiency but has fulfilled the calls. It has filled the calls. So our next approach to this right now is we wait for a market to create what they call a Judas swing. A Judas swing. After it creates a Judas swing, which is the market needs to go up to create Judas swing, faking out buyers. Then we'll be looking for our sell setups, because this trend has been impulsive, massively impulsive for the month of August for the DXY. You see that since the 1st of August, the trend has been massively impulsive. So we're looking for the deep corrective structure. So we'll be looking out for what? One more push up for the DXY to create a Judas swing. Then when we see what an MSB, market structure break to the sell side, and it returns to our origin, then we'll be looking out for the sell setup down to this area for the DXY. Exactly, for the DXY. So that is what we'll be looking out for currently for the DXY. So the dollar is going to gain some buy up momentum before we look out for the next sell momentum. Okay. So the next on the list is Euro USD. Euro USD, the next one. And like you already know, Euro USD is 90% correlated to the DXY. Euro USD is 90% correlated to the DXY. So if the DXY is going up, Euro USD will be going down. So the same setup we expect for the DXY, we have a similar setup for Euro USD as well. So over here you can see Euro. This is August. As of August 1st to this point, the market has been selling to the downside. Downward trend. If you trade with a trend, you will always be in profit. If you traded with a trend, you always be in profit. So it will be on the sell side. Sell trade, you always be in profit. So currently for Euro USD, I expect the market to move down over here back to this bullish order block, and also origin is also a cause as well. So when the market gets back into this cause, creates a Judas swing, we will now be looking for our buy side trade setup. But for the start of the week, we're expecting Euro USD to push the downside. The trend continues to complete the weekend flows because we had some massive high impact news as at last week Friday. So the weekend flows is not completed yet. So when this weekend flow is complete, then we'll be seeing the market going to the downside. So when the market goes to the downside, we'll not be looking for our buy setups for Euro USD, but for the start of the week. And remember, this week is the first week of September, and on Friday is the 1st. We should be expecting NFP, non-farm payroll. So watch out for that. That's it for Euro USD. Let's go to the next pair on our list. I'm watching out for few pairs this week so we can get the best results and best trade setups from the market. The next pair is AUD USD, Australian dollar against United States dollar. That's the next on our list. If you have any questions, drop them on the comment section. We'll check out your questions later. But we're just going through the pairs we trade during the week. We're going through the pairs we trade during the week. Okay, so for the AUD USD, we have a similar downtrend for AUD USD. You can see that we have similar downtrend. So what I expect from this market for AUD USD now, this downtrend, the same setup I see on Euro USD and DXY. We need to see a corrective structure to the upside, a small corrective structure to the upside. And if you can see here, we have a fair value gap. The market could use this fair value gap to grab liquidity. Then if we see a form of Judas swing and then market structure break to the downside, you can give our sell setups to push to the downside. Because for AUD, the validation point, the bullish validation point is quite far. But we'll be searching for reoptimization zones, and if we find any reoptimization zones, we could get some reoptimization zones close to this psychological level of 0.63500, 0.63500. You might find psychological levels at that point. But currently for AUD USD, we're expecting the market to go to the upside before it push the downside. AUD USD. Okay, the next on our list is gold. God's money, gold. God's money. Okay. So for gold, which is God's money, we see some kind of bullish structure for gold. Over here, the market broke these lows. Market broke these lows for gold, and what had a massive impulsive wave, taking out these highs. Market structure break for the H4 candles. So now we're expecting to return back to what origin, forming an ABC structure for the next D wave. So when the market comes back into the level, we're looking for our buy setups for gold, but currently we're still going to go back up, back into this H4 foundation point and other block, and also from here we can be looking for sales on gold. When we comes back to this other block and calls, then we're looking for our buy setups, aiming for a higher price point. Then the next on our list is US oil. US oil. That's next on our list. Well, for US oil, if you guys can check out our previous forecast for last week, Sunday, you will figure out that US oil has been selling just as we expected it to. It has been on the sell side just as we expected it to. Creating lower lows and lower highs. Lower lows and lower highs. Lower low, lower high. We're expecting to create another what? Lower low. So that is what we're expecting for US oil. Probably if you create that lower low and take out liquidities below this low. Take out liquidity below this low. That's the next low. Okay. So the next and final pair on our list is Bitcoin. So Bitcoin still sustains our forecast from last week. This was the manipulation caused by the ETF released for BTC. So over here now, some kind of ranging and accumulation to the upside and to the downside. So currently on Bitcoin, if we still get this range and we see something like a corrective structure and a break of the downward range, then we're expecting more sales. And when we get those sales, we can be getting them to a psychological level of 25,000. Psychological of $25,000. But if we see some positive news impact, we can expect Bitcoin to continue rallying to the upside for BTC and risky assets. But like I said, currently after a massive impulsive wave, corrective structure down, and if that doesn't go as planned, we just get some reversal. But overall, investors are massively bullish for Bitcoin for investment purposes. But for trading purposes, currently the structures are not clear. But for Bitcoin, for investment, I'm bullish. So that's it for the technical breakdown. If you have any questions, please comment. I will answer your questions. Definitely, I will answer your questions at the end of this. So if you want to learn more about trading, you can dive down to our website www.nzdusd.com. Here you can see that Digital Lane Academy brings you a unique perspective to the world of digital assets. We teach you how digital trading works, how to earn massive passive income on different digital assets, how to invest in safe assets, how to build and grow your startup business from zero to hero. So you need to sign up right now because procrastination is the thief of your time. We have global team in the United States, in Russia, in Venezuela, and West Africa, Nigeria. We are working day and night to make sure we offer you the best services. and offer you the best products for your investment. This is an investment in yourself. Any education that you learn is an investment in yourself. It cannot be taken away from you. The best asset you can invest in is the assets of education. Teaching you how to utilize the knowledge to make money in real estate, utilize money to make money in the digital trading market. So we have a 1 month package, a 3 month package, a 6 month package, and a 1 year package. 1 month is $49. You can just try it out with the 1 month package and see how our services are. You can then renew your subscription because our testimonials from students, just like Tony 62 says, I love how easy it was to get started, especially with all the tutorials. I quit my second job with the income coming from 10 Digital Crypto Academy. If that's your target, you can achieve it, definitely. You can achieve it. You just need to believe. So to round up our forecast for today, we'll be checking out the fundamentals. So starting the week, we have AUD retail sales month over month. It has to do with total sales of retail traders in the Australia currency. So currently, we see that the consensus is higher than the previous, which is going to be quite encouraging for the AUD. Diving into Monday, and this is about 2:30 a.m. West African time. So this is a very good, positive, high impact news for AUD, and if it stands strong, we can be seeing the AUD USD trade go to the upside just as was forecasted. Then on Tuesday, high impact news, we have euro, GFK consumer confidence, retail sales month over month, retail sales year over year, Bank of Australia manufacturing PMI. That was in London session, 7 a.m. to 9 a.m. West African time on Tuesday. So we're watching out for that. We'll be trading live. I'll be streaming this trading live session here on YouTube. I want to carry you guys along. So we'll be trading live on Tuesday here on YouTube early in the morning, 7 a.m. possible. So far, the best services possible. Then New York session, we have job opening for July. And that's higher than forecast. That is good for the United States dollar. Then on Wednesday, Asian session, we have monthly CPI indicator for the Australian dollar by 2:30 a.m. West African time. Then during London session, we have North Rhine-Westphalia CPI year over CPI. Okay. Sorry for the break in network transmission, guys. Sorry for the break in network transmission, guys. Okay, so to round up the week, we have London session on Wednesday. That is the North Ryan Westphalia CPI month over month. Then we have Baden Westernburg CPI year over year. That's for London session. So a lot of high impact news and CPI related on Wednesday. That's high volume. We'll be trading that live. Then New York session we have ADP employment changes and goods trade balance for the United States dollar. So we'll be trading that live. Don't miss out. Don't miss out. Don't miss out. Don't miss out at all. Don't miss out at all. So on Thursday, we have retail sales year over year, retail sales month over month for the euro pair. Then Swiss franc retail sales month over month and retail sales year over year. London session, inflation rate year over year, unemployment rate, unemployment change. These are high impact news that could move the market rapidly. Then to end the week, or to end on Thursday, we have jobless claims 4 weeks average, continuous jobless claims, initial jobless claims. New York session is packed with a lot of high impact news. I'll be trading that live with you guys. Then on Friday, the most important is NFP, New York session, 1:30 p.m. West African time. But starting up London session, which I'm not going to be trading on Friday on London session, I'm trading New York session preferably. So I hope you guys will be able to join me to trade those sessions live and utilize the information of trading to make massive profits. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe, share this content, and do have a profitable trading week. Peace.